Home remedies for gout. Drinking plenty of water. When a person has gout, they can experience significant swelling and inflammatory. One of the ways to reduce swelling is by drinking more water. Applying ice to affected joints. Applying a cloth-covered ice pack to the joint can help reduce gout-related inflammation. Try applying an ice pack wrapped in a thin towel for 10 to 15 minutes at a time to help relieve pain. Reducing stress. Heightened stress can worsen a person's gout symptoms. Getting enough rest can also help a person feel less stressed. Elevating the affected joints. One way to reduce swelling is by elevating the affected joints. This encourages blood and fluid to move away from the joint and back toward the heart. Drinking coffee. Who drank more coffee were less likely to have gout. This may be because coffee can lower uric acid levels. Eating more cherries. Cherries contain high levels of anthocyanins, which are anti-inflammatory compounds. Drinking lemon water. Adding the juice of 2 freshly squeezed lemons to 2 liters of water each day reduced uric acid in people with gout. Limiting alcohol intake. Drinking more than 2 liquor drinks or 2 beers per day increases a person's risk for gout. Beer is high in purines, so avoiding it can benefit a person with gout. Avoiding high purine meats. Avoiding meats that contain high levels of purine might help to reduce a person's gout symptoms.